Did you know there is a connection between your gut and your skin? The skin is the largest organ of the body, serving as the primary barrier between the internal organs and the external environment. It's composed of three layers: the epidermis, dermis, and subcutaneous tissue. The epidermis, the outermost layer, is constantly renewing itself to protect against environmental damage. The dermis contains collagen and elastin, which provide strength and elasticity, while the subcutaneous tissue stores fat and insulates the body. What are the functions of the skin? The skin performs several essential functions, including protecting the body from external threats such as bacteria, viruses, and physical injury. It regulates body temperature through sweat and blood vessel dilation, facilitates the sensation of touch, pain, and temperature, and aids in the synthesis of vitamin D when exposed to sunlight. Additionally, the skin plays a critical role in immune defense, preventing harmful substances from penetrating the body. What is the gut? The gut, or gastrointestinal tract, is a complex system responsible for digesting food, absorbing nutrients, and expelling waste. It includes the mouth, esophagus, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, and anus, but mainly the large intestine. The gut is home to trillions of microorganisms, collectively known as the gut microbiome, which plays a significant role in digestion, immunity, and overall health. What are the functions of the gut? The gut is crucial for breaking down food into nutrients that the body can use for energy, growth, and cell repair. It absorbs these nutrients into the bloodstream and removes waste products from the body. Additionally, the gut microbiome supports the immune system, helps protect against harmful pathogens, and produces essential vitamins and neurotransmitters that influence overall well-being. What is the gut-skin connection? The gut-skin connection refers to the bidirectional relationship between the health of the gut and gut microbiome to the skin. This connection is facilitated by the immune system, metabolic pathways, and the production of hormones and neurotransmitters. An imbalance in the gut microbiome, known as dysbiosis, can lead to inflammation and contribute to skin conditions such as acne, eczema, and rosacea. Conversely, improving gut health can enhance skin appearance and resilience. How does the gut-skin connection work? The gut-skin connection operates through several mechanisms. One of the primary pathways is the immune system. The gut is home to a large portion of the body's immune cells, which respond to the balance of microorganisms in the gut. When the gut microbiome is imbalanced, it can trigger systemic inflammation that manifests as skin issues. Another pathway involves the production of metabolites by gut bacteria. These metabolites, such as short-chain fatty acids, influence skin health by modulating inflammation, promoting wound healing, and maintaining the skin's barrier function. Additionally, gut bacteria produce vitamins and neurotransmitters that impact skin health. For example, B vitamins and serotonin are involved in skin cell renewal and mood regulation, respectively. Moreover, the gut microbiome influences the integrity of the intestinal barrier. A compromised gut barrier, often referred to as leaky gut, allows toxins and bacteria to enter the bloodstream, potentially causing inflammation and exacerbating skin conditions. Therefore, maintaining a healthy gut barrier is essential for preventing systemic inflammation and promoting skin health. What does it mean to have bad gut health? Bad gut health, or gut dysbiosis, occurs when there is an imbalance in the composition of gut bacteria. This imbalance can be caused by a poor diet, stress, lack of sleep, and the overuse of antibiotics. Symptoms of bad gut health may include digestive issues such as bloating, gas, diarrhea, or constipation. Beyond the digestive system, dysbiosis can lead to fatigue, mood swings, weakened immunity, and skin problems. Gut dysbiosis also reduces the diversity of beneficial bacteria, which play a crucial role in maintaining health. When harmful bacteria outnumber beneficial ones, it can lead to increased production of toxins and pro-inflammatory substances, contributing to systemic inflammation and affecting overall health. Bad gut impact on skin health? Bad gut health can have a profound impact on skin health due to the interconnectedness of the gut-skin axis. An imbalanced gut microbiome can lead to systemic inflammation, which often manifests as skin conditions. Here are some ways in which bad gut health affects the skin. Acne. Inflammation triggered by gut dysbiosis can exacerbate acne by increasing the production of inflammatory cytokines. An imbalanced gut microbiome may also affect the balance of hormones, leading to increased sebum production and clogged pores, further contributing to acne. Eczema. The inflammatory response caused by an unhealthy gut can worsen eczema symptoms. A compromised gut barrier can allow allergens and toxins to enter the bloodstream, triggering immune reactions that lead to eczema flare-ups. Rosacea. Gut dysbiosis may contribute to rosacea by influencing the immune response and causing inflammation. Certain gut bacteria produce metabolites that can exacerbate rosacea symptoms, such as redness and swelling. Psoriasis. The link between gut health and psoriasis is thought to be mediated by the immune system. An unhealthy gut microbiome can promote inflammation and immune system dysfunction, worsening psoriasis symptoms. Skin aging. Chronic inflammation from an imbalanced gut microbiome can accelerate skin aging by breaking down collagen and elastin, leading to wrinkles and reduced skin elasticity. The Y is leaky gut syndrome. A compromised gut barrier allows toxins and bacteria to enter the bloodstream, potentially triggering systemic inflammation that can worsen skin conditions and lead to new ones. How to improve gut-skin health? Improving gut and skin health involves adopting lifestyle and dietary habits that promote a balanced gut microbiome and reduce inflammation. Here are some strategies to enhance both gut and skin health. Probiotics. Consuming foods rich in probiotics such as yogurt, kefir, sauerkraut, and kimchi can support a healthy gut microbiome. Probiotics introduce beneficial bacteria that help maintain gut balance and reduce inflammation. Prebiotics. Foods high in prebiotics such as flax seeds, garlic, onions, green bananas, and asparagus provide nourishment for beneficial gut bacteria, promoting their growth and activity. Fiber-rich diet. A diet rich in fiber from seeds, fruits, and vegetables supports gut health by promoting regular bowel movements and providing food for beneficial bacteria. Hydration. Drinking plenty of water helps maintain healthy digestion and supports skin hydration, improving skin elasticity and reducing the risk of breakouts. Omega-3 fatty acids. Consuming omega-3 rich foods such as fatty fish, flax seeds, and walnuts can reduce inflammation and support skin health. Reduce sugar and processed foods. Avoiding or limiting sugar and processed foods can prevent gut dysbiosis and reduce inflammation, benefiting both gut and skin health. Stress management. Practicing stress reduction techniques such as meditation, yoga, and deep breathing can positively impact gut health and improve skin conditions linked to stress. Quality sleep. Prioritizing quality sleep is essential for maintaining a healthy gut microbiome and promoting skin cell repair and renewal. By understanding and nurturing the gut-skin connection, you can enhance both your digestive and skin health, leading to a more radiant complexion and improved overall well-being. Remember that the journey to better skin starts from within your body. In conclusion, and to summarize today's video, the intricate relationship between gut health and skin health underscores the importance of maintaining a balanced gut microbiome for overall well-being. Our skin, the body's largest organ, serves as a barrier and plays crucial roles in protection, sensation, and temperature regulation. Similarly, the gut is vital for digestion, nutrient absorption, and waste elimination, while also housing a complex community of microorganisms that influence many bodily functions. The gut-skin connection illustrates how gut health directly impacts skin conditions such as acne, eczema, rosacea, and psoriasis. An imbalance in the gut microbiome can lead to systemic inflammation, disrupting skin homeostasis and accelerating skin aging. Dysbiosis, characterized by an overgrowth of harmful bacteria, can trigger inflammatory responses, hormonal imbalances, and increased intestinal permeability, all of which negatively affect skin health. Improving gut health offers a pathway to enhancing skin health and achieving a clearer, more radiant complexion. Incorporating probiotics and prebiotics into your diet supports the growth of beneficial bacteria, while a fiber-rich, hydrating diet helps maintain digestive health. Omega-3 fatty acids reduce inflammation and support skin structure, while limiting sugar and processed foods can prevent dysbiosis and inflammation. Stress management and quality sleep further promote gut balance and skin vitality. By fostering a healthy gut microbiome through mindful dietary choices and lifestyle practices, you can positively influence your skin's appearance and resilience. Recognizing the powerful connection between gut and skin health empowers you to take proactive steps toward a healthier, more vibrant life, starting from the inside out. Thank you for tuning in to Levitas. Please share today's video with friends and family, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to receive notifications for future videos. Your support is appreciated. It helps us grow and create more content to empower your health. Remain tuned to Levitas for more expert advice on your health and fitness journey. So, stay healthy, stay happy, and keep going.